Hi, this is Russ at Keast Enterprises. I'm here today with the REM VR12 Diesel. This is a unit that we custom build ourselves in our shop. We started with a 155 horse John Deere 4-cylinder engine, and it's a turbocharged intercooled engine. And we've mated it up with the REM VR12. The REM VR12 is a 10,000 bushel per hour machine. Features a 12-inch discharge auger. This machine has self-contained hydraulics, so it raises the auger up, and so you pull up and start the engine up, raise the auger up, and you're backing in a very short period of time. This machine comes with 60 gallons of fuel on board, and it has 48 feet of piping that comes on the back of the machine and in a rack. So it's all on the machine. We've added toolboxes on both sides. In this toolbox, the engine battery and the hydraulic system to pick up the machine is in this box. The other box is completely empty for customers' use. This is the control box for the John Deere diesel engine. Very nice. All digital controls. You can see it coming on here, and it'll do a self-check. And then the engine is ready to start. It electronically increases or decreases the speed, and this button here is for the electric over hydraulic on the auger, to raise the auger up and to lower the auger. It's two-way electric over hydraulic. Hand clutch here, very easy. Pull up, clicks in, and you've got it. Push down, disengages the clutch. It's a double disc clutch and very heavy. Telaria clutch. Short drive shaft, goes right to the standard VRX12. Very, very nice machine. 10,000 bushel per hour, 155 horse input.